peace-loving guns. So last summer I was watching a video by Dutch Bushcraft Knives and those adorable Dutch meatballs, and they recommended this brand Bark River that I'd never heard of, but I'm a knife noob, so whatever. This is my favorite knife by far. It is the Bark River Squad Leader in A2 tool steel, and I love it. I carved the hand grooves myself, though. It was very slippery. It's a micarta handle, very slick when it's wet, especially. I don't know why they do that. So I got a file and just I want to match it on the back with a Dremel. I think that would have finished the knife out, but it came with a leather holster that well, the knife cut up, so I got a Cleveland Kydex custom-made holster that I absolutely love. Altogether, this is like $300 though, so it's not cheap stuff. But this is my favorite knife ever. It's like a half a pound of razor sharp steel, and I do notice though there's a lot of corrosion on this steel. It's not meant to. You kind of have to take really tight care of it. I sharpen it, polish it, and then use Ballistol on it pretty much every time I use it. And I tend to use it all the time. It's my favorite cooking knife too. But whenever I can, I carry it because this is Texas and we can do what we want here, boy. Anyways, that's all I got. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace, love, and guns.